So good day guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to cast from your phone to your Windows 11 or your PC. So the first thing to do is to get the cast option on your PC device. So I'm going to click on my Windows button, or I can just come over here to my Windows to tap on my Windows. Then the next thing to do is to locate your settings. I'm going to open my settings here on my PC. So head over to your system, then click on system, then scroll and locate what they call projecting to this PC. So I'm going to tap on this, then I'm going to launch my wireless display app. So on your Android device, what you have to do is to locate your settings, then search for cast. So I'm going to search for cast here, then tap on search. Actually cutting this part. So here, go over to your cast, then turn your cast on. So you're going to ask to turn on Wi-Fi and location, so click on turn on. So it's going to start to look for your devices, then you can locate it. So here I'm having my Dawn Tech, and on my device you can actually find Dawn Tech. So what I have to do is to click on my Dawn Tech. Then as you can see, it is connecting, and yes, my PC has been connected to my phone. Then I can decide to go back and open other apps. So you can see, you can even decide to watch a video from YouTube from your phone to your PC. So this is how to screencast on your device. So let me just go ahead and play a video here.
To think that YouTubers used to make a whole lot of money. Like I cannot explain. Like I was telling YouTube with the goal that if I just get
like
one
and
viral
subscribe
video,
to
like
my
I
channel.
just need
Thank
one
you.
viral video.